Arya has been running a Pani Puri stall since 2 years. The conditions of house is very bad.
Come and eat pani puri. The taste of my pani puri is delicious.
Munna Bhai would ask stall's weekly payment from the businessman is
Hey
same.
Hariya, sometimes you feed me also your pani puri. Hey boss, the whole cart is yours. How many plates should I prepare for you? Hey, do I look mad to you? Come on, give me the weekly money. You did not give last time also. You already know that the condition of my house is very poor, and even in pani puri, I do not earn that much. I don't know about all that. Once you have set up your stall in the market, then you will have to pay the weekly money to me. I will come tomorrow to collect the money.
Arya's mother has been ill past few months and nowadays illness also increase.
Hey Amma, please sleep now.
I'm trying to sleep. But this cough does not stop. Ritu, please give me a glass of water. My throat is getting dry.
Arya's wife Ritu gives water to his mom's Amma, drink water and go to sleep.
Why are you getting angry at Amma? Amma has been ill for the past few months and there was bleeding yesterday while coughing.
Is it true? Oh my god. If something happens to Amma?
Nothing will happen to her. Her medicine has finished. Do you have money to buy it?
No, Ritu. The school people were also asking to fill up Golu's school fees, but I don't have money to pay.
I will do one thing. I will mortgage my sacred necklace. In this way, Amma's medicine will also come and Golu's school fees will also be paid.
Ritu, but.
Now, no ifs and buts. When the money will come, we will get it released.
The next day, Son has Son come area open the Pani Puri stalls. Munna Bhai comes to take away
Hey Arya,
money
it's
from
enough now. Are you giving me money now or not? Boss, I have just opened the stall. From where should I give the money? What nonsense. Will you talk like this to me? Now see what I would do. Hello, listen. Don't eat Harya's pani puri. His mother has fallen ill after eating his pani puri only. What a false rumor you are spreading all around. Now carry on selling your pani puri.
From dawn to dusk, Arya is everybody a single plate Pani Puri.
Now I should go home. Today my luck is very bad.
The old lady talk Arya to in the middle of the way.
My dear son, this old lady is very hungry. Please feed her something.
I have pani puri only. Will you eat it?
Yes, sure, son.
The old lady eats 10 plate Pani Puri.
Wow, Grandma, have you been hungry for a long time? You have eaten 10 plates. That means you have eaten 100 pani puris.
Now my stomach is full.
Now let me also go home.
Hey son, wait for a while. Now go to your home and feed this pani puri to your mother.
But why?
Because as soon as she will eat it, she will be completely fine. And now your pani puri is a magical pani puri. Whoever will eat it will be completely cured of any disease.
Arya gets a stunning and suddenly old lady disappear from them.
Oh, ghost, help me!
Arya run away from them. He tell everything to his wife Ridu.
So what is the delay? We should feed Pani Puri to Amma.
But Ritu, if anything happens to Amma,
What will happen with one Pani Puri?
Ritu eats 2 Pani Puris to Amma and she becomes completely fine. She stand up and running from house.
Hey Arya, look at me. I have become completely alright.
Arya understood that definitely magic in his Pani Puris area and Ritu is very happy. Next morning, Arya goes to the market with starts a new Pani Puris, common and magical Pani Puris.
hey, come on and have magical pani puri from my stall and cure all of your diseases. Hey son, is it true? Will my knees really be cured by eating your pani puri?
As soon as old woman and Pani Puris has been Pani after started walking without a good sense, these people's new is starts goes and Pani Puris area was scoring new types of this scoring. Some people started to give them thousands rupees.
This much money? Yes, my dear, I am happily giving you this money. I had an old cancer, but after eating your pani puri, my cancer got cured.
By saying so much money, Ritu and all family comes to very happy before Arya comes to the markets with standing. People use standing and even Kemunna by standings.
Give me a plate of pani puri. What happened to you? What should I tell you? My stomach has not been well since morning. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
And the same street habits as known as Munna by Pani Puris. Some musical sounds started.
Oh, I need to go to bathroom.
Munna buys all these stomach go to washrooms. In this, everybody started laughing. Aria's Pani Puri was no less times